Welcome back to the channel. I'm Rochelle, this is Brampton Gardener, and this is my intro video for the gardening homesteading skills competition. Now, if you're not aware, there is a friendly competition that's going on by two teams for people from all over the world to share their gardening and homesteading skills. Some people are gardening on very large properties and have animals and are foraging, and then some of us are on a very small property. But that doesn't mean I can't grow a lot of food. So let me show you around real quick. So this is my backyard. This is my garden space. My property line is just on the other side of those trees right there, but we do not have a fence on this side, which is really nice. And my neighbors do allow me to plant a few things over in their yard as well. And there's Dexter. This is our quick little DIY greenhouse that we just set up recently. I have a video coming out. Actually, it came out on Sunday, so you'll have seen that already. Gives you a little tour inside of that. I've got lots of pots, lots of planters. And then this over here is usually my produce aisle. Come down. Oh, it's melting. I had like 3 feet of snow up here just a week ago. So this is my produce aisle. I'm using 5-gallon buckets because when I started this was 2020 and 2021, and honestly, nothing was really available. I used to grow all my tomatoes right here. Step back. This used to be a wall of tomatoes. This year, I think I'm gonna have to change things up because it's just not getting as much sun now that this tree's getting bigger and that tree at our neighbors is getting bigger. But I'm gonna show you some pictures from previous seasons, previous years, so you can see exactly what I'm talking about when I say that even though I have a small yard and I grow mainly in containers for my vegetables, I've grown quite a bit of food. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you're rooting for Team Will It Grow, and I'll see you guys all along the way. Good luck.